Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of hummingbirds. In today's video, we're going to explore everything that makes these tiny, dazzling creatures so remarkable, from their unique flight abilities and brilliant plumage to their essential role in ecosystems and the challenges they face in our modern world. Join us on this journey as we uncover approximately 1,000 words of intriguing insights into the life of hummingbirds. Introduction to hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are among the most captivating birds on Earth. Despite their small size, many species measure just 3 to 5 inches in length. They possess an array of extraordinary features that set them apart from almost every other bird species. Found primarily in the Americas, hummingbirds have enchanted scientists, birdwatchers, and nature enthusiasts alike with their shimmering feathers, rapid wing beats, and acrobatic flight. Their vibrant colors and iridescent displays make them a favorite subject for photographers and artists, while their unique behaviors and physiological adaptations offer a treasure trove of scientific insights. A marvel of miniature anatomy. One of the most striking features of hummingbirds is their incredible anatomy. Their lightweight, compact bodies are perfectly designed for agile flight. Hummingbirds have the highest metabolism of any bird species, a necessity to support their rapid wing movement and high energy demands. Their wings can beat anywhere from 50 to over 200 times per second, enabling them to hover in place with an almost magical precision. This rapid wing action also produces the characteristic humming sound that gives these birds their name. Their specialized wing structure, which allows for nearly 360-degree rotation, is key to their unique ability to fly backwards and even upside down for brief moments. This agility in the air is not just a spectacle for onlookers. It is a vital survival trait that enables hummingbirds to navigate complex environments, evade predators, and access food sources in ways that few other birds can. Feeding. A delicate dance with nature, hummingbirds are renowned for their incredible feeding habits, which are as mesmerizing as they are essential. Their primary source of energy comes from nectar, a sugary liquid produced by flowers. To access this vital food source, hummingbirds have long, slender bills and specialized, extendable tongues that allow them to reach deep into blossoms. As they sip nectar, their heads and bills come into close contact with the flower's reproductive structures, inadvertently transferring pollen from one bloom to another. This mutualistic relationship makes hummingbirds important pollinators in many ecosystems. In addition to nectar, hummingbirds also consume small insects and spiders. These protein sources are critical for muscle maintenance and overall health, especially given the intense energy expenditure required by their rapid flight. By balancing their diet with both carbohydrates and proteins, hummingbirds maintain the high metabolic rates necessary for their energetic lifestyles. Extraordinary flight and energy management. Perhaps the most iconic aspect of hummingbirds is their incredible flight capabilities. Their ability to hover in mid-air is due to the unique figure-8 pattern of their wing strokes. Unlike most birds, which rely on up and down wing movements, hummingbirds rotate their wings in a continuous circle, providing lift on both the upstroke and the downstroke. This adaptation allows them to remain stationary in the air, giving them unparalleled access to nectar while they feed. However, this remarkable flight comes at a cost. Hummingbirds expend an enormous amount of energy with each rapid wing beat, which is why they must consume large quantities of nectar relative to their body weight. To put it in perspective, a hummingbird may visit hundreds of flowers each day to meet its energy needs. When resting, hummingbirds have even evolved the ability to enter a state of torpor, a deep temporary hibernation that helps conserve energy during cold nights or periods of food scarcity. Migration. journeys beyond their tiny size. Despite their diminutive stature, some hummingbird species are known for undertaking astonishing migratory journeys. For instance, the ruby-throated hummingbird travels across the Gulf of Mexico, a feat that requires remarkable endurance and navigational skills. During migration, these birds can cover hundreds of miles, often flying non-stop for days on end. Researchers believe that the hummingbird's extraordinary metabolic efficiency and ability to rapidly refuel from nectar sources are key factors that enable such long-distance flights. Migration in hummingbirds is not only a testament to their physical capabilities, but also an essential strategy for survival. By moving between breeding and wintering grounds, hummingbirds are able to exploit seasonal variations in food availability, ensuring that they have access to the abundant resources they need throughout the year. Courtship and reproduction. A ballet in the sky, the mating rituals of hummingbirds are a dazzling display of aerial acrobatics and vibrant color. During the breeding season, male hummingbirds perform intricate flight displays to attract potential mates. These performances often include rapid dives, loops, and high-speed chases that showcase the male's agility, stamina, and brilliant plumage. In many species, the iridescent feathers of the male shimmer in the sunlight, creating a visual spectacle that is both beautiful and strategic, a signal to females of his fitness and genetic quality. After courtship, the female typically builds a tiny cup-shaped nest from plant fibers, spider silk, and other natural materials. These nests are incredibly delicate yet strong, designed to hold the small clutch of eggs securely. Once the eggs hatch, the female is primarily responsible for feeding and nurturing the chicks, which grow rapidly and develop the distinctive traits of their species. The entire reproductive process, from courtship to fledging, is a marvel of nature that highlights the resilience and ingenuity of hummingbirds. Cultural significance and symbolism. Hummingbirds have held a special place in human culture for centuries. In many indigenous cultures of the Americas, these birds are seen as symbols of joy, beauty, and perseverance. They are often associated with positive energy, healing, and the ability to overcome obstacles. Mythologies and folklore from various regions tell stories of hummingbirds as messengers between the physical world and the spiritual realm, bridging the gap with their vibrant energy and seemingly magical presence. Artists and poets have long been inspired by the hummingbird's beauty and agility, capturing their essence in paintings, sculptures, and literary works. The image of a hummingbird hovering over a flower has become a universal symbol of the fleeting beauty of life, as well as the importance of living in harmony with nature. This cultural reverence not only celebrates the aesthetic appeal of hummingbirds, but also underscores the broader ecological role they play as pollinators and guardians of biodiversity. Conservation challenges and the path forward. Despite their enchanting beauty and ecological importance, hummingbirds face numerous challenges in today's rapidly changing world. Habitat loss, driven by urban expansion, agriculture, and climate change, poses a significant threat to their natural environments. As flowering plants are displaced or altered, the delicate balance that sustains hummingbird populations is disrupted. Additionally, the use of pesticides and other chemicals can negatively affect both the insects and plants that hummingbirds rely on, further threatening their survival. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving and restoring native habitats are crucial for the future of hummingbirds. Many organizations are working to create and maintain pollinator-friendly gardens and protected areas that provide safe havens for these birds. Public education campaigns also play a vital role in raising awareness about the importance of conserving natural habitats and promoting sustainable practices. By supporting local conservation initiatives and making environmentally conscious choices, we can help ensure that hummingbirds continue to thrive for generations to come. Concluding thoughts, hummingbirds are truly one of nature's most extraordinary wonders. From their mesmerizing flight and vibrant plumage to their critical role in pollination and the cultural symbolism they embody, these tiny birds have much to teach us about resilience, adaptability, and the beauty of the natural world. Their remarkable abilities remind us that even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on the environment, and that every species plays an essential role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the world of hummingbirds. If you enjoyed this video and found these insights as fascinating as we do, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement not only helps spread the wonder of these incredible birds, but also supports ongoing efforts to conserve their habitats and ensure a vibrant future for all of Earth's pollinators. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the wonders of nature, and remember, every small action counts in preserving the beauty and diversity of our planet, one hummingbird at a time.